And we're looking ahead at some active weather for tonight, kind of lasting into your Sunday morning as well. We do have a winter weather advisory in place for southern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa that goes until noon tomorrow. So we are anticipating some slick travel and some impacted travel conditions as well. So for the most part, looking at a lot of cloud cover. What's hard to see is the freezing drizzle that we're dealing with. So that's what we're working with right now as the system slowly approaches our area. So the bulk of that system and the center of that low pressure system is currently in the Missouri area. So this is continuing to work towards the northeast. So as the evening progresses over the next couple of hours, we'll see more of that moisture and that snowfall begin to become a bit more prominent across the area. So slowly but surely it's making its way into the area. We're just dealing with freezing drizzle at the moment. And that freezing drizzle has definitely created some slick spots in the area so far this evening, especially off towards the Austin, Albert Lee area. These pinks indicating completely covered roadways, and that's with that ice because of that freezing drizzle. I'm seeing a report of about 0.05 of an inch of ice being picked up from that freezing rain down in the Mason City area so far this evening. So we're going to continue to track that threat for that freezing drizzle here for the next couple of hours as that snowfall begins to become a bit more prominent to kind of take over very quickly as we head towards about that 8 o'clock hour. So then after 8 o'clock, as we head towards 10 o'clock, then we'll begin to see more of that snowfall be widespread across the area. That snowfall lasting throughout the overnight hours, and that's when we'll pick up the bulk of our precipitation. So as we hit daybreak for your Sunday morning, we'll see some lighter snow accumulations begin across the area as the system continues to push off towards the east. So most of the activity kind of exiting the region by about 11 to 12 o'clock Sunday morning. So then throughout the rest of Sunday afternoon, staying pretty quiet, and that will continue then into your Monday as well. So in terms of timing here, as we head towards about that 8 o'clock hour, we'll start to see that snowfall become more widespread, changing from that wintry mix to all of that snowfall. Then from about 8 to 2 a.m., we'll start to see that we'll see most of that snowfall being picked up anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches. So that's the bulk of our precipitation. We may have to watch out for some gusty winds, creating maybe some areas of patchy blowing snow in the area, especially rural portions of Minnesota and Iowa. And then as we head towards that 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. And kind of wrapping up then towards noon, we'll see kind of that lighter snow as the system pushes out of the area and that snowfall really wraps up here within the area. As we look at the potential for snow totals, I'd say bulk of the area picking up anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches here across the region. Lighter totals as we head north into Goodhue County and as we head into northeastern Iowa, kind of looking at some slightly higher totals, about that 3 to 5 inch mark. So again, widespread 2 to 4 inches is what we're expecting here. So kind of recapping and what to expect here with this system tonight. We'll see that snowfall likely overnight, and that's when we'll pick up most of our totals. We'll see that snowfall wrapping up Sunday morning with maybe a little bit of additional minor accumulation, but overall about 2 to 4 inches of snowfall is what we're expecting. This will kind of be more of that wet, heavier snowfall to deal with in the morning as you clean out. So this is a live look from your Lewiston Auto camera in downtown. Temperatures right now sitting mainly into the low 30s, widespread across the area about upper 20s to low 30s here this evening. So those temperatures will stay pretty consistent throughout the overnight hours into the upper 20s. But overnight we'll see lows bottoming out into about the mid 20s, with tomorrow then seeing highs topping off into the upper 20s to low 30s, with that snowfall kind of wrapping up in the area. Your extended forecast showing some quieter weather as we kick off the new week. Another snow system possible as we head into the midweek, and a blast of some colder air possibly on the way for next weekend. Julian?
Next in sports.